been since I made a new video, and 2000 Christmas has already passed. And here's my grand Christmas present. His name is Coco, and if you're wondering what happened to Tabby Cat's newborn's kittens, is that they ran away. So I got Coco for Christmas. He's 6 months old. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And I also got all this for Christmas. I got a bunch of wood and stuff, plus the chest. And my favorite one is the 1992 Thomas prototype. He's my favorite. And all of this is very neat because before Christmas I helped my daddy do the paper mache with the mountains right here. I did this mountain, my daddy did this one. And there's like the river work right here. And there's grass. And this is another table that's painted green. Although this is a snow mountain that I'm going to have it on here for a long time because like mountains are usually snowing at the top, and this is like one of the high mountains that's snowing at the top. Okay, and there are also a lot more prototypes in there. My favorite one is the Thomas. And, this is cool. I got it. My daddy says he got it used off eBay. Like this, and the chocolate spins right there. And also, like when you do this, the chocolate changes. It goes in there, and then this cargo comes out of there and into the flatbed. And also, I got some more stuff for Christmas that is non-wooden. The layout is in my room. I got a bunch of Tommy stuff for Christmas too. I don't know if you saw my video of that Trackmaster one. I forgot what it's called. With the hero, Percy, Thomas, and Rosie. And this is like a lot of it, like most of it. And I got a Japanese Thomas set right here. It's really cool. And I gotta figure out where the Thomas is. Okay, here it is. Here's the Thomas that came with the Japanese set. And I put a different face on because it has a surprise face. And I can demonstrate how it works real quick. Sometimes it gets stuck, though. That time it didn't get stuck. And if you saw that Trackmaster video, the Percy that was in it, I still have it. It's around here somewhere. Okay. And I also got some other ones that are new in the box. Well, most of them. Even here on my shelf. There's a prototype Oliver in a 1994 box, new to Oliver. And here's a 1996 Peter Sam, new in the box. Day Out with Thomas 2010, new in the box. I actually got at the event. And all my Day Out with Thomas is right here. And here's a fake Day Out with Thomas one, a fake 2009 one. My Thomas Comes to Breakfast and a Better View for Gordon. He's behind there. And the new in the box Thomas the Magic Railroad Packaging Lady and Diesel 10, they're behind those two. Okay. And I also got this for Christmas too. It's like my mini world set. with my custom Annie and Clarabelle right here. That I made from the Charleston trucks because I had technically six. The other four. And this one had most of the parts, not all of them. A custom duck from another Percy with Edward's face. I have several extra Mini World engines. And my custom Thomas comes to breakfast. My custom Dirty Thomas, but the funnel is already missing. This was my miniature Bluebird. Thomas said I got in 2008, I think. And this is my 2007 Day Out with Thomas take-along that my daddy got off me from eBay. Don't remember what year it was. Okay, and that's all for now. Bye.